video. I'm going to hit this domino, which will knock over this line, release the pink string here. That will release this train, which will go down the ramp, pull the string, pull the orange and yellow dominoes out from here. This, because it has a weight in the top, will hit into these, and knock over this line of dominoes, hit this, make this little steel ball fall down this tube, which will then go down this wooden ramp. And then the ball will go down this and go into there. It will hit into this red domino, and the blue domino actually will fall this way. The line goes to here, knock over this tower, goes here, pushes this down, pushes up on this side, and releases this car to hit into this. Now the marble will move that red domino back here a little bit this way, and when the car rams into this, it will push this blockade this way and force this domino up and make the ball launch into the back of this clear and blue domino setup, which will then knock over this, go through this big domino line, set off the direction changer over here, go this domino line, and when it hits this, the foil on all of these dominoes will connect, completing the circuit and turning on this fan.